sure how much inclusion is present here as well. And then comes the financial inclusion, where even when the access exists, affordability still remains a major barrier. Our insurance systems covering the needs of persons with disability are the out-of-pocket expenses still pushing families into hardship. If we have gone through the white paper established by NCPDP, we talk about how the premium has raised high, how the insurance companies still don't hold clarity when it comes to including disabled people in all of this. And then comes the social exclusion. We still have to deal with all the stigma and social barriers associated with them. And then this profession inclusion. I hear a lot of people talk about quotas. I agree there are quotas for such people, but are we giving them meaningful opportunities to work and grow and contribute professionally is something that we really need to look at. So before I sort of delve into this discussion, a quick question I wanted to ask all of our panelists. Just on a scale of 1 to 10, how far do you think India has progressed in achieving true inclusions for persons with disabilities? I'll start with you, Dr. Ramesh.
Very good morning to all of you, and thanks NCPDP for giving me this opportunity to share my views. So, as far as the inclusion of persons with disability is concerned, still we are in a very infancy stages. From all the angles, like you said, from financial inclusion, from educational inclusion, from employment inclusion, accessibility, health, all the angles, we are still, struggling. We are in a very preliminary stages. We have been touching all these areas. We have been talking about health. We have been talking about our different models also. And we found that somewhere we are lacking some vision or approach which has to be done by all these sectors. So this is collective effort by all the sectors to achieve a target which we feel that is achievable but still not done. I can talk about health. We have been talking about rehabilitation and assistive technology, and very recently now we are working with WHO, and we have charted out a huge plan how rehabilitation, medical rehabilitation we are talking, and there are different sort of other rehabilitation which are you can say under the domain of social justice, and medical inclusion under medical rehabilitation under the domain of health ministry or health sector. So we did a survey, we did a landscaping, and we found out that a lot of work already being done, but not reported and not documented. So that part we are within this end of this year we will be able to document it and bring it in front of you and show you where exactly we stand. Health coverage, India has major part of health coverage is in private sector. If you talk of the percentage, it's roughly 30-70, 30% private public health and 70% is the private health. That 70% is creating lot of poverty or leading people into poverty because out of pocket expenditure is very high. That is where today's forum or today's round table is important. That how can we reduce the burden on the pockets of the user or the people with person with disability. So maybe in form of creating insurance policies. We were talking about I was talking to Dr. Salag about that. How can we bring in those changes, and also reorienting the health system to make more provisions for the management of various health problems which are faced by the person with disability.